Hey y'all, I missed y'all so much. So I was craving tofu scramble. Well, to be honest with you, I had a pack of tofu that was about to expire. So I decided to go ahead and make some tofu scramble for you all. So as you can see, I just started out with some grapeseed oil in a warm pan. And now I'm just adding my pre-chopped onion and green bell pepper. I chopped this up like a few days ago. I like to go ahead and prep my veggies prior to me cooking so that way I don't have to spend that much time in the kitchen. I did just want to say that I missed you all so much. I really did. So now I'm adding some garlic into my pan. The garlic, it's from Sam's Club. It's the pre-minced garlic. I just don't have time to chop up garlic anymore, and I got tired of my hands smelling like garlic all the time. So we're using the pre-minced stuff. And with this tofu scramble, it really doesn't take that long to cook. The reason why I keep stepping away from the camera is because I was busy chopping up the rest of my vegetables and things of that nature, because like I stated, everything was just on the fly. I was legit laying in bed and I was like, I'm gonna make me some tofu scramble. But to be honest, this recipe, it only takes 10 minutes. Well, it took me 10 minutes because like I said, I didn't have my ingredients ready. But if you have everything already prepped in your fridge and ready to go, then legit this will take you 5 minutes to cook. So now, as you can see, I'm adding my baby Bella mushrooms. I like a lot of mushrooms in mine. And also I want to add that all this produce that I'm using, I actually got it from my Misfits Market Box. Misfits Market basically is a subscription service where you can actually pick out the produce that you would like, and not just produce but also other packaged goods and things of that nature, and legit they deliver it to your home. It's so convenient. And now I'm just seasoning my vegetables. I'm adding some black pepper, and right now I'm adding some pink Himalayan salt. And we're gonna give that a good mix. Also, I don't cook with a lot of salt at all. And my brother, he makes fun of me because he says that my food is never seasoned, but I just don't like a lot of salt in my food. Now I'm adding a half a block of tofu. And the key to a good tofu scramble is to make sure that your tofu is drained. I didn't have the patience to let it drain overnight because like I stated before, my tofu was about to go bad. So what I did is I just took my tofu and I just squeezed it really, really well over my sink. Now I'm adding some nutritional yeast. And we're going to add a little bit of turmeric. The turmeric is what gives it that nice yellow color to make it resemble actual eggs. And of course, if you haven't picked up by now, this recipe is vegan. My whole channel is vegan. And next we're adding curry powder. Now traditionally a tofu scramble doesn't have curry powder in it, but I love curry powder in mine because it gives it that nice taste. And next I'm adding ground paprika. Ground paprika, it gives it that nice, not really spicy, but I just like the way it tastes. And of course I don't have measurements for any of these ingredients. The amount that I'm adding in my tofu scramble is just based upon my preference. So if you want to add more tofu in yours, you can do that. I only added half a block because I knew if I cooked the whole block, it was going to be too much tofu scramble for me to eat. I like a lot of onion in mine, so that's why I use a lot of onion. If you don't like onions in yours, you don't have to add it, or you can use green onion. I was gonna add green onion in mine, but I didn't feel like cutting it up. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I didn't feel like chopping it up. And now a little ASMR for your pleasure. So the last ingredient that we're going to add is our fresh baby spinach. The voiceover for this got deleted, so I'm doing this over, but it's okay. It is okay. With the spinach, of course, you can add as little or as a lot as you like. It may look like I'm adding a lot, but that's because spinach cooks down. And once your spinach wilts, your tofu scramble is pretty much done, or you don't have to add the spinach at all. Like I stated, you can make this recipe your own and add or take out whatever you would like. Personally, I like to serve mine on a flaxseed wrap that I got from Sam's Club. Right now I'm adding a little bit of lime to give it that zippy, zingy, salty taste that I like. Like I stated, I like to eat mine on a flaxseed wrap, and I like to top mine with a little bit of vegan cheese, some homemade guacamole, also a couple, some diced tomato, and a little bit of Cholula. And this is how it looks for you all. This was around where my camera cut off because it was out of storage. I really hope you all enjoyed the recipe. If you liked it, be sure to leave me a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe so you can be updated on when I post again, and make sure you like the video and give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye.